In this question, we have a pulley system on a slope. We've got an unknown mass of M at A, and we've got a known mass at B. And we are trying to find the normal reaction force, the mass M, and the tension in the string. So let's start by labelling our diagram. So our normal reaction force is perpendicular to the plane. That's one of the things we need to find. The tension is in the string on both parts heading towards our pulley. That's what, again, we're trying to find out. We've got a mass of M. So this is going to be mg vertically downwards. And again, M is what we're trying to find out. Now, if we resolve some of the forces that we have, so we need to resolve our mg, I'm going to have completely perpendicular to the plane. That's going to be our mg cos 30. And then parallel to the plane, we're going to have mg sine 30. We've also got the weight of B, which we can add on here. So this is going to be 0.4 g on there. So the first thing I'm going to look at is particle B, because particle B just has two forces acting on it. It's got the tension and it's got the weight. So because the forces are in equilibrium, I can set up an equation that says T is equal to 0.4 g. And if I use G is equal to 10, then that tells me that my tension is equal to 40 newtons. This is one of the things we needed to find. So now what I can do is come over to our particle A and have a look at the forces on particle A. So if I look at the perpendicular forces, I've got R is equal to mg cos 30. Now at the minute I don't know what M is, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. And then if I have a look parallel to the slope, I've got T is equal to mg sine 30. Now, if I substitute my value of T in here and use G equals 10, I can actually find out what M is. So this is going to give me 40 is equal to M times 10 times a half, so M is equal to 8. Now I can just substitute this into my R equals mg cos 30 and get my value of R. So R is equal to 8 times by 10 times by cos 30, which is root 3 over 2. So this gives me a value of R of 69.28 newtons. So we found our three things asked for in the question. We've got our normal reaction force, that's our R, we've got our tension, and we've got the mass of particle A.